Hello, good day. In today's lecture, we are going to continue our concept of utility. Initially, we have talked about what is utility, and we have also discussed about the rule of utility maximization. Now, basically, we are moving towards another kind of a very important aspect of utility, which is the budget line. The budget line actually helps us explain that how much a person can spend and how much he can afford. Whatever he is willing to buy and whatever actually gives him satisfaction or utility is available for a price, and that price actually he pays from his income, and that income actually defines his budget line. If you look at the formal definition of the budget line, the budget set is the set of all possible bundles of goods and services that a consumer can purchase with his income. Economists usually describe the budget set in the context of another concept, the budget constraints. The budget constraints represent the goods or activities that a consumer can choose that exactly exhaust their budget. Here, in this particular kind of a budget constraint example, we actually make two kinds of assumptions. The first assumption is that the consumers do not save or borrow. What does that mean? It means that whatever income he earns, he spends all of it. He doesn't actually spends more than his income, nor he actually spends less than his income. So when somebody spends less than what he earns, basically they save. When actually some people basically, spend more than what they earn, they have to borrow. But here actually, we actually want a person, a consumer, to live within his constraints. The second assumption that we make about him is that we plot the budget constraint as smooth line. Even though our examples will be using the whole units, like say, for example, that could be a step like a shape curve. But generally, we assume it to be a continuous curve, which is a smooth line. So there are the two kinds of assumptions that we make to the budget line.